everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is David. You're watching English class with David. Today, in this lesson, we're going to learn about the auxiliary verb of do, does, teach. So, the another meaning of auxiliary verb is simply meaning like is a helping verb. अगर मैं हिंदी में बताऊँ तो auxiliary verb का मतलब है सहायता क्रिया होता है. तो आज मेरे दोस्तों आज वीडियो में हम do, does, did का एक फॉर्म कैसे सीखेंगे, कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम टेंस में उसको सीखने वाला है. So I would like before proceed I would like to inform always the do and does used for the present tense and the did always used for the past tense, and also the do and does used for the simply in the present in the simple tense, and the did always used in the past tense in the simple past tense. Alright, because the rest of tense there is the auxiliary verb, right? If I example for small example, if you go for the present tense in the simple present there is no any auxiliary verb, right? There is no any helping verb. So if you go for continue, there is like a is, am, or is a verb, which is the auxiliary verb for them. But in this present tense, in the simple present, there is no any auxiliary verb for that also. Therefore, the do and does used for that. So do and does always used for the questions form and the negative form and the emphasis. All right. Let's look into the example so that you can understand. The do used for the singular and plural, and the does used for the third person singular. So do. So the do use for the singular and the plural. Okay, example. We're gonna learn about the example. Example. I told you the negative and the questions part. Questions. Do I eat rice? It's a questions mark. Negative. I believe you can see that. Do I eat rice? It's a questions mark, question sentence, questions form. And negative is called I do not eat rice. मतलब मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. देखो do में इस्तेमाल होता है हर समय एक सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म में जहाँ पे I, you, we, they. उसका एग्जाम्पल है क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन का मतलब देखो. क्वेश्चन का मतलब do I eat rice मतलब क्या मैं खाना खाऊं. इसमें नेगेटिव होता है मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा. I don't eat rice. मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा. So कैसे हम those how the does used. Let's see that those how it's used. The does used for the third person singular which is called he, she, it name. कि ए does इस्तेमाल होता है एक थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर में जहाँ पे he, she, it name में होता है. आइए एग्जांपल देखते हैं. क्वेश्चंस मार्क. The question mark में है does he eat rice. नेगेटिव में होता है he does not eat rice. and the emphasis में जो बताया था इसके मैं भूल गया बताने के लिए इसमें बता देता. emphasis मतलब जो होता है yes I does eat rice. Yes I do eat rice. Yes I do eat rice. Yes example अगर बता तो yes he does eat rice. Yes he eats rice. He does eat rice. Either we can use for like a he eats right. Eats yes he eats rice हो सकता है. Either we can use like he does eat right. Either we can do like a, I do eat the singular and plural में I do eat rice. मतलब देखो जो emphasis आपको मैं बताया था I do eat rice इसमें हो सकता है. and does में हर समय इस्तेमाल होता है एक थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर में. इसमें does की जगह में इसमें लिखता है he eats rice. He eats rice. Okay, he eats rice. Or he does also. That's also a short form में ऐसा बता सकते he does eat rice. Okay, so I hope you understand. And we're going to learn about the did. We're going to learn about the did use. These did used for everything singular, plural, and third person everywhere the did used. Example. Everything used for the did. So example, question mark. Okay, so did I do the word? Did I do mistake? Did I do that mistake? Did I do that mistake? Either we can write down, did I do that mistake? Did I do that mistake? क्या मैं वो गलत मैं क्या हूँ? मैं क्या? Did I do mistake? Question mark. Again, and negative. Let's look at the negative. I did not do that mistake. I did not do that mistake. And emphasis में बताता मैं जो आपको बताया था, emphasis में I did mistake. I did that mistake. जो नॉर्मल, जो सबसे नॉर्मल होता है, yes बता सकते हैं, yes I did that mistake. जो did use for everything, singular, plural and third person everywhere. I did the mistake. So I hope, see, did used for the all, and did how the question mark. Did I do that mistake? I did not do the mistake. Yes, I did that mistake. So I hope this auxiliary verb really useful, all my friends. If you have any doubt, you can just comment me. So definitely I will be reply you back. Your comment is precious for me, guys. Please don't forget to write all this auxiliary verb on a note and try to make a few sentences. I did not tell you all this you, we and that, they all. You can make your own example and try to understand and try to implement in your personal time of speaking. Alright, so I hope this is really useful for all of you, my friends. If you're first time watching the video, please don't forget to like, comment and follow me back. Thank you so much for support. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.